Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. All right, bro. I've got a case study going on. I think I'm about to start my case study. So really, the whole goal for today is to get enough money to where I can get enough money to buy a new monitor, a vertical monitor. Look at this, bro. This is terrible. I've had a really rough past couple of days. Been rough. Wow. What I want to do is just freaking take profit, bro. I just want to take profit. But I've got this level set up perfect. I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for this one to hit. I don't care. But yeah, bro. I'm gonna have a 30-day case study, and this is going to be the everyday checklist. Okay, there is a very high probability, not even a high probability, bro. If you follow this checklist, really just speaking to myself, if I follow this checklist, it is inevitable, it is insurmountable to have long term gains. All right. And so my entire goal is to absolutely follow this checklist every single day for the next 30 days. So this is phase one of every single day. Review the news for the day, open, high, low, close for daily bias, draw out 3 days highs, and draw out the previous 3 days lows, and review over ES as well. All right. Phase two, draw higher time frame gaps and draw equilibrium of each gap. Draw out EQ of all big wicks for objectives. Draw out sell side buy side objectives. Draw out midnight opening price and 8:30 open. Bounce around 15, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 minute to align signatures. You are now professionally prepared for 9:30 market open. Phase three, which is your risk gate to keep my account alive. It is non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. Identify risk for the day. That's going to be $225. And I'm not taking anything. I'm not taking a loss above that. I'm not doing it. Stop loss is below 35-point threshold. You see today, 45 points. It's just hard with these market conditions, man. It really is. It's just frustrating with these market conditions. But it's cool because my stop is $96. So that's still a permissible trade. All right. And then no impulse entries and wait patiently for my setup. Phase four, the sniper entry. Observe, enter, manage, and close. Follow my entry protocol. Phase five, upload live, upload case study video, and rest because your session is now complete. I'm following this every single day. It's non-negotiable, and I promise you, if you follow your checkbox, your checklist, and you do not deviate from that, you will be very, very successful. That's how I feel about it. If we hit 300 on my live account, I'm out, bro. I'm good with that, and I'm very proud. Just be patient, bro. Just be patient. Just let it hit, bro.
Order filled.
I don't care. That's a 1 to 3.5 risk to reward for 161 points. If you want to say anything about me waiting for it to hit my take profit, I don't care, bro. I'm good with that. I've got stuff to do. That is the best. That's one of the best trades I've ever taken in my life, right there. That's one of the biggest trades I've ever taken in my life, right there. That's huge. And that's fabulous. And so I'll show you why. So what's going to happen is we're going to come down. We might even crash beyond that. And then what do we have up here? All these stacked highs, those are going to get taken out sometime. I don't care what happens, bro. That is a great trade, and I'm content with that $300 because now I have enough to take a small payout. My whole goal is to just get my account back up a little bit and then get a new monitor and another thing. And I think with today, we were able to do that. So I'm going to take you guys over here. So this account was at $120 and now it's back at $431. This is why I sold at this gap so much. I knew the ES had to come back up. We had to come back up into this gap. We had to. We had to come back up into this gap. And as soon as I saw that, bam, that's whenever I sold. All right, I had to take a picture of that. Sorry. So as soon as I saw that, bro, as soon as I saw that, it's just like trader experience, right? As soon as we took out this wick right here, as soon as we took that out, and as soon as this wick respected or closed below EQ, that's when I knew, like, that's when I knew that that gap had to be filled in. And it's not just a gap for gap's sake. No, bro. It's market structure shift, come down, came back up. I did not think that we had to go this high today. We didn't have to go this high. So this breakaway gap, I did not want for it to get filled. So yeah. That's kind of the bias. ES played a big role in this today, which is what I really, really need. What I really needed to see. So with that regards, bro, this is my checklist, okay? You cannot deviate from the checklist, bro. You cannot deviate from your checklist. Cannot happen. And so for 30 days straight, that's what's going to happen. So I want to create a little bit of content around that. So yeah, I'll be back tomorrow in peace.